In this video, I will be showing you can you download NordVPN Premium for free. So today we're going to be answering that question. So before we begin, you can head over to the link in the description of this video to get 70% off on NordVPN. You can see first of all, the first step is to simply log into your account, and once you do, you can see it is going to be coming to this particular page that is going to be loading up. So just hold on a bit until it loads up. Alright, so here we got it for free. We do not have to pay anything. You can see on the left side we have our downloads option, available plans, billings, and redeem. Now how do you actually get it for free? So let's just try doing that. You can see we have NordVPN. This is the link to get it, and let me just click upon that and hold on a bit. You can see we have some pricing showing up. So now in here you can see we have these complete, plus, and basic packages, and to get started with NordVPN you are going to be needing to simply purchase a plan, and that way you can download it. So this was it for this video. You can choose any plan that suits the best, but make sure to head over to the link in the description to get 70% off, and you will be getting this almost for free. So that's how you do it, and thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more, and see you around in the next video.